When I was a real estate investor, I lost my house, car, and all my savings during the recession of 2008. I was scared because I didn't know how me and my family would survive. After losing almost everything, I couldn't get an apartment or car because my money was funny and my credit was bad. So I couldn't get approved for anything. But thank God I had a friend, a reliable friend with great credit, who offered to lease a car and an apartment in his name until I could stabilize things. That experience humbled me, and I realized you can't put a price tag on credit. I always had great credit and plenty of capital, so I didn't truly value it until I could no longer provide the basic necessities for my family. It was a tough time for us. You may be facing challenges because of your credit. Maybe you want to buy a home, but you can't. Perhaps you face embarrassment knowing you'll get denied before you even apply. So I'm sure you see it's no fun living with bad or mediocre credit. I believe, and this is a saying that we say in my office, is that I believe that almost every opportunity for financial security, success, and status is connected to your credit report. That's why I provide professional credit repair for people who can't get approved for loans due to credit issues. I have helped my clients get approved for more than $36 million in cash and credit loans and get more than 137,000 negative accounts removed from their credit reports. What I do is I leverage the power of the law to help remove inaccurate, outdated, and unverifiable negative accounts while also helping build positive credit history by opening new accounts with lenders that look past credit scores. I also help guide my clients in securing cash and credit through my network of lenders in order to save them time, money, and provide a hassle-free experience from beginning to end. My name is Azim Sharp. I'm a certified FICO Pro, a credit improvement strategist, and the founder of Leaf Credit Solutions, a national credit repair company. I'd be happy to talk with you about your needs and goals. So book a free private 10-minute call so we can talk.